Hey there, today I am going to talk about my story with psychology. I remember when I first came into trading, I asked my mentor to recommend some books to me so that I could get on the fast track to trading well. He recommended several books to me, most of which were psychological books. I remember being baffled about why he recommended these books. I was thinking, why doesn't he just recommend a book to me that tell me when to enter trades and when to exit them? Something simple. Like what you do when you are at a traffic lights. Green means go, red means stop. Simple as that. Of course, soon after I started trading, I found myself making all sorts of errors. For instance, when I was testing, I started to get excited and started to interpret numbers in flawed ways. I began hoping that individual tests would give positive results. I was convinced that I could come up with a unique, highly complicated system that would be better than everyone else. And once I started trading, I had hoped that my trading would be fast-paced with lots of quick moves and split-second decisions, because that would make me somehow feel sophisticated, unique, and feeling smart. I also found myself getting bullish when everyone else did and bearish at the same time as everyone else. And that was because I was simply not aware that daily news, they do affect my perception of the markets. Soon after that, the errors I was making had less to do with trading and more to do with emotions and my own ego. I interpreted numbers in the wrong ways because I wanted to be special, and not because it was the appropriate way to interpret the data. I jumped to conclusions in testing because I wanted to look good to my peers and to my superiors, and not because the data was conclusive. Can you imagine that? I got bearish and bullish at the wrong times because I was afraid of missing out on long opportunities when the market reached tops, and I felt like I was missing out on short opportunities at market bottoms. It was the need to be right and my fear of being wrong that drove this erroneous thinking and behavior. Thankfully, I finally learned one of the most important lessons in trading, and that is trading has more to do with psychology and less to do with technical and fundamental factors. All traders worth their salt have access to the same data. It's just what we do with that data that makes the difference between profit and loss.